Here's a certified 2014 Nissan Murano. This crossover has a sleek design, comfortable interior, and plenty of power so you can be more than just a driver, you can be a host. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, push-button start, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. AutoWeek finds the load height for kids in the back seat is near perfect, and there's a surprising amount of room in the hatch despite the truncated styling. Nissan, built for the human race. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
We put the customer first at Nissan 24 and will work hard to help you find the perfect vehicle. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1016 Belmont Street in Brockton.